Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. I decided to record the video instead of writing. It would take more energy from me just texting about each coin. So what do we have right now? I would say that situation is 50-50. Let's go to SP 500 first. We can see that it's still holding this 5,558 level, and yesterday it was simply chopping around. Best was not to trade at all, but probably just my too bearish bias took over me, and things were looking like for the downtrend continuation. But we should respect as a level, right? Is that SP 500 right now is holding. Also, if anyone watched stream, during the stream I was telling you that technically yes, there should be some bounce, but of course when an asset SP 500 or Bitcoin is in a range and in a crucial level, it's always hard to understand where the price may go. So just let me put FIBS again, new FIBS. So as long as SP 500 is above 5,558, I would look for longs. Also, yesterday the STIA short was really bad. I admit that. I checked it and pumped so much. I will explain later why I took short on TIA. Sorry, my throat hurts. So yeah, now we need to wait for the close on 4 hour above 5,627, and of course it will lead the asset higher, and this even small pump will push crypto also higher. Now let me put FIBS. Sorry. So here we have several levels. All the three will be important for me, which means from this it can reject, from this it can reject, from this it can reject. Then this level that we have will be also strong resistant level, because we can see that this area was standing before as a support. I was talking about this already in a stream, so you can just go and rewatch it. So yeah, any bounce of even 1-2% will be a big catalyst for crypto to finally pump. And of course, they say price never goes just down, it always has some waves. So probably currently we should have not bearish wave, but bullish short term. Not calling for new all-time high right now, and I was talking about this in a stream, so please watch. Now let's go to USDT dominance, what it is doing. As I said before, of course I would want to see USDT dominance higher at 6.25 level, 25, 24. Look, it was standing as a resistance, but we have here also monthly FVG, so it could give this kind of a week, and then reject. But also, what I did recently, before recording this video, I put FIBS from this high to this low, and I see, look, that actually USDT dominance came to 0.75 FIB and it rejected. So, but it's monthly, we have still 18 days. So what do we have? So what I want to say, if near days, it will give us a close above current level from which it rejected, or 5.8, then we will see a strong bounce until 624, or maybe even higher, 684. So keep in mind, but let's go to smaller time frame and see about the local move. Let me delete this. So what do we have right now? Right now it's simply holding above this 20, 60 EMAs and above 50. So as long as it is above, it has more bullish structure. But we have here for our FVG, so even if it will push now the dominance higher, this level can stand as a resistance, and we may see some bearish reaction and maybe down towards to this area, or 100 EMA, or this FVGs that we have. Right, let me just put also FIBs and see. Yeah, so it can give a push till 0.5 FIB level and then reject, and only if we see that as a percentage of the USDT dominance is breaking above 0.5 FIB on 4 hour. In this case, it will mean that bullish trend in USD dominance will be continued, and crypto will be pushed down. It means that Bitcoin most probably will continue going down. Another possibility is that next, like this 4 hour time frame, so next 1 hour, US dominance will not manage to break above this level, 5.43, and the dominance will be pushed lower. So let's say it will consolidate and it will be pushed lower towards the 100 to 100 EMAs approximately, the same as it did here. And then of course both these EMAs can stand as a strong support levels for the bullish trend continuation. And as we can see on a daily time frame, I think I was talking about this as well during the streams, that yeah, technically I want to see on a lower time frame just dominance to decline, to come back to this EMAs that we see here, 2026, the same as it did here before, right? Also it has daily FVG. So yeah, I would want to see some decline and then another bounce, and only if we will see on daily time frame dominance breaking lower below 5.1, then next area will be strong support zone is this. Let me highlight it as, I will put just 2 levels just in case, 4.88, 4.79. So if dominance will come here, expect another very strong bounce, because overall US dominance is in a ascending trend, right? So be careful. I would say short term right now, longs are in priority. I will also look to long some coins. For example, AVA, I already made technical analysis for that, and I will share some of those with you. Now let's check Bitcoin dominance. Let's see what it can show us. So Bitcoin dominance basically was playing this thing that I drew. You can see, right? Is it possible to? Yeah, you can see how it played out. right? And so I think this is not actual, but I want to save this for myself just for the future to show like before and after. This we don't need, this we don't need. So this I will leave. Yeah, this I will leave as FIB because the chance to go higher towards the 63% still has high chances as long as Bitcoin dominance on 4 hour is above 61.56, yeah, or above I can put here also this trend line, support line. So as long as it is above this support line, it can come, and continue going higher. Or only if it will break below, then it can come and continue going higher. So this zone will be also important to keep an eye on. So if dominance will continue going down, then it will be really good for altcoins, very positive. We will catch at least 10% of the move on some altcoins. Some altcoins can, of course, give much more moves. For example, TIA yesterday, it was just insane. So yeah, this is about Bitcoin dominance, local move, Ethereum. Ethereum, of course, I would want to see it lower, but I will not be just stubborn girl. Let me just see what is going on here. So Ethereum already since March 11 is just in a range and accumulation zone. So I think we could see nice pump on it. Just a second. So let's say if we take long from now, current zone, with some, yeah, maybe this low. I will put just below this low. And first day profit gonna be this, then this, and I would leave just the rest to play out. Yeah, we can take at least maybe, who knows, maybe 20% or maybe 15% of the move. Yeah, it depends, of course, if it will break above 0.75. Yeah, you see how it's bouncing from this low. Yeah, it holds really strong, and we should not ignore that. Yeah, there's bullish divergence. You see RSI goes up, price slowly but was declining. I will give a chance to this long setup. Don't forget to put your stop loss to break even after first take profit. Now let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I already put this FIBs, and I would say if there will be any decline towards to 82, 81, 500, 78, 900, I would bid at these levels. It can do this and give a pump till 88, 700, then maybe higher. Well, there are a lot of resistance zones. Let me highlight. 91, 572, 94, 320. I just put lines above this on this areas. And if you remember, I put this projection. So let's see if it will play out. But at least we can take, I don't know, 8 to 15% of the move, which is not bad in my opinion. Let's go to our this looks interesting. It was holding about this fib 0618, you know, and next I expect it to come to give at least maybe not 20%, but 10 to 20% of the move. TIA yesterday, why did I take this short? Let me go to 4 hour. 4 hour. Yeah, here it is. Right, so what do we have? Here's supposed to be FVG. Yeah, here it is for our FVG. It rejected. Then it had a close below this resistance zone. Zoom in, you see it had a close. So basically it's supposed to come at least to this level. It's supposed to come at least to this level, but what it did, it just pumped, just continued to pump, and of course this is just a disaster, because even from EMA side, I wanted it to go just a bit lower, but okay, what happened? That happened. It can happen in the market. What can I do? Yeah, and yes, and it also rejected here, so it was below. So I thought that it will give at least one more push down, and maybe if it would hold this, so maybe I would long it. But we can see how it went, just higher and now rejected. If it will now go to our entry, it will be just crazy. But let me check maybe. Yeah, now it could either consolidate here and go up, or go a bit lower and go up. So yeah, but this was really a strong pump. For me, unexpected, to be honest. So yeah, this was it for now. Let me check also wicks. Wicks had a nice, interesting close yesterday, so it could go just lower and then bounce from this 2026 EMAs as well. So I would not relax yet. I would not call for the bull run yet, because situation is still on a high time frame, is crucial, and we should not be, how to say, should not have FOMO, be careful, and prepare for any situation. So as I said before, please manage your risks, open small positions right now, because honestly, it may also happen that, I don't know, some news may come out, S&P 500 may pump again, reject again from this 4 hour, and continue going down, you know. And of course this will affect crypto. It will push Bitcoin lower, because also USD dominance has still high chances to go higher. So yeah, be careful. Thank you for watching, and I will just share now the setups with Ethereum. hour, and if I find something else, I will send. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.